How to create an X Twitter account on Android. First, open the X app you just installed. If you missed how to install it, check my last video. I got you. Now, tap on create account right at the bottom. No login yet. We are making something new here. Enter your name, then your phone number or email, whichever you prefer, and also your birthday. Don't worry, it won't show publicly. Now, X will send you a verification code. Type it from your text or email. Boom, verified. Now, create a strong password, something only you can guess. You can choose a username now or skip and change it later, up to you. Upload a profile picture if you want, or just skip for now. And just like that, welcome to X. Boom, you have got an X account. Now you can see and post the tweets you want. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.